If you are experiencing issues with DHCP not functioning correctly on your Windows 11 computer, the most effective solution is to perform a network reset. This process will comprehensively refresh your network configurations, resolving common problems related to IP address acquisition. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in the Settings window, navigate to the Network and Internet tab, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. On the right side of the Network and Internet section, you will find an option for Advanced Network Settings. Please select this. Within the Advanced Network Settings, locate and select the Network Reset option. After selecting Network Reset, click on the Reset button. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Yes to initiate the network reset process. This single step is often all that is needed to resolve DHCP problems because it effectively resets and renews your IP address, flushes the DNS cache, and also resets the WinSock catalog. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.